Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about online jobs that pay you daily that you can get started with today. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about online jobs that pay you daily that you can get started with. So if you can use some extra money in your pocket, then I'm going to be discussing a few jobs that you can start with. But before I get into that, I just want to welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me talk about the first job that you can get started with. And that's going to be charging electric scooters. If you ever seen people riding around on electric scooters, especially if you live in downtown LA, then you know you can make a decent amount of money just by charging them. One company that pays you to charge scooters is called Lime. And in order to get started, all you have to do is go to their website and click on the little tab where it says Join Us. You sign up to charge scooters, and all you have to do from there is fill out your information. So basically what you would be doing is picking up scooters that are in your area, you take them home and you charge them overnight, and then you put them back out into the public, and then you get paid right away. So this is perfect if you have like a van or a truck where you can haul a few scooters away at a time, and you can charge a few of them overnight at one time. So you can go with Lime, and another website that offers to pay you for charging their scooters is called Bird. So it's the same process in order to sign up. You just go to their website, you sign up to charge scooters, you look for scooters that are in your area that are low on battery, you take them home, you recharge them, and then you put them out into the public. So the next job that you can do is an app that you can download on your phone. It's called Field Agent. So basically with this app, you would be going to different businesses or stores, you'd be taking pictures, videos, and collecting information, making sure that prices are correct. And the whole purpose of this is to improve the business. So basically, in order to get started, like I mentioned, you would download the app called Field Agent, and then you would complete your profile. You fill out the information that it requires from you, and then from there, you can look at what jobs are available in your area. And when you see a job that's in your area, you have the choice to accept it, and when you do, you have about 2 hours to complete it. So it's pretty important that you make sure you're close by to that area. And this is another app that pays you daily. And another website that's similar to Field Agent is called GigWalk. And basically, you would be doing the same thing. You would be going to different businesses and stores and taking pictures, collecting information to make sure the prices are accurate. And the whole purpose of this is to improve the services that these businesses are offering. So that brings me to the next website, which is a website called Scribble. So basically what this is a transcribing service. So what you would be doing is transcribing audio files into a written format. So in order to sign up with Scribble, it's pretty simple. You just go to their website, you go down to the bottom of the page, and you click on where it says Join as a Transcriber. You fill out an application, and you're going to take an online test where they're going to determine how well your writing skills are. And you can start earning from there. And it has more information on how much you would be earning on the website right there. So that's basically it. And if you guys want to learn more information about these platforms, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can check them out. And if you guys want my personal recommendation on how to make a full-time income online, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.